In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier with Google Sheets, a handy tool for automating your workflows seamlessly. First, let's dive into Zapier, a fantastic platform that helps you automate various tasks across different applications without needing to write any complex code. Our first step is to head over to the Zapier website. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Login button to start the process. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's a straightforward process and shouldn't take more than a minute or two. Once you're on the login page, you'll see various options to access your account. Choose Continue with Google. This option offers a quick and secure way to log in without remembering additional passwords, plus it ensures seamless connectivity with Google Sheets, which is our goal today. After selecting this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Pick the account linked to your Google Sheets. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so and grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Google Sheets. Now, once you are logged into Zapier, the next step is to click on Zap Automated Workflows. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to set up what Zapier calls Zaps. Zaps are the automated workflows that connect your apps and services so that repetitive tasks are handled automatically. With this intuitive interface, you can create anything from simple automated tasks to complex workflows based on your specific needs. Next up, we're going to set our trigger. A trigger is what starts your Zap. Think of it as the spark that lights the match of your automation workflow. Click on Trigger and then choose Google Sheets as your trigger app. You're essentially telling Zapier to look for an event in Google Sheets to start this workflow. Once you've selected Google Sheets, you'll need to sign into your Google Sheets account if necessary, just like we did earlier when logging into Zapier. This allows Zapier to securely connect to your data. After signing in, choose the specific event within Google Sheets that will act as your trigger. This could be something like a new row being added to your spreadsheet, which will then prompt Zapier to take an action as defined later in your Zap setup. Remember that Zapier is an incredibly powerful tool that can save you so much time. By connecting it with Google Sheets, you're opening the door to a plethora of possibilities to streamline your work processes. Automation is all about working smarter, not harder. So take your time exploring different ways to integrate these tools and enjoy the future efficiencies you can create. I hope this guide helps you get started with connecting Zapier to Google Sheets and enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.